Alright, this is our lesson for Tuesday, the 31st. We are working on solving trig integrals using substitution. So just a little reference up here for you to know what the function is and what its derivative is. So for example, sine of x, the derivative is cosine of x. Cosine of x, the derivative is negative sine x. To get the integral, we just go the other direction. So the integral of cosine x is sine x. The integral of sine x is negative cosine x, and so on, okay? So you have to know these. We have a quiz on Friday. Make sure you study and remember these for the quiz and also for the future. All right, so let's get on with our first example. We have the integral of the secant squared of 4x dx. And I know that the integral of secant squared of x is tangent of x. So I just have to do something with that 4x. I'm going to use my u substitution. So u is equal to 4x. The derivative of u with respect to x is 4. And so I get du is equal to 4 dx. I need to make sure I have 4 dx in this equation. So I'm going to multiply by the constant 4 and also by its reciprocal. So now my integral is going to be 4 secant squared of 4x dx times 1 over 4. And now I will substitute with u. So I get 1/4 the integral. I know that 4 dx is the same as du. And that 4x is u. So I have 1/4 the integral of secant of u du. Oh my God. There we go. So I just substituted for my 4 in dx, I substituted du. For 4x, I substituted u. Okay. All right, so I have the integral, 1/4 the integral of secant u of du. So the integral of, secant squared of u du, the integral of secant squared of x is tangent of x. So this is going to give me 1/4 tangent of u plus c. And now I just put the u back in there. 1/4 tangent of 4x plus c. And that is the end of that. Okay. So I'm going to start the next recording for the next mini lesson momentarily. Have a look at the problem and see what you think.